In this Quiltler tutorial, I will be explaining how to use splicing. Splicing allows you to add borders and sashing to your quilt design. My quilt is currently 5 blocks by 5 blocks. To begin with splicing, I'm going to select the options button at the top right. Next to playground splicing, I'm going to change it from 1x to 3x. I'll go back to my quilt and I'll show you what that did. Because we selected 3x, it made each individual block be 3 blocks by 3 blocks, meaning we have 9 blocks within the 1 block. That allows you to design your quilt in more detail and also makes it easier to add borders and sashing. I'm going to quickly add a border to this quilt. I'm going to start by selecting multi-block, and then I'll hit gridlock. Gridlock allows my quilt to stay in place and not move all over the place as I'm selecting the blocks I want for my border. So I will now select all of the blocks I want in my border. And then I will select Design Center. I'll choose a square shape and then I'll select the color wheel. And I want my color to be a light blue, and I'll hit Done, and I'll hit Done again. And I now have a border for my quilt, and you would do the same thing if you wanted to add sashing. And that is how you use splicing.